Welcome back to our English tropical garden. So it's early December now and the cyclamen is in full leaf, having put all its effort into flowering late summer. So I'll just leave this now and we'll see what that looks like in the spring. Well, here we have the salvia hot lips still in colour and fluttering around in the wind. Now this should be cut back for the spring, but I'm just going to leave it and enjoy it for now, and then maybe cut it back in a month or two. And here we have the Indian bean tree. It's now lost most of its leaves, and you'll see the long spindly branches are actually the new growth for this year. Now what I need to do is actually cut those off, ready for the spring. Probably do that in a month or so, we'll see, depends how cold it is. Cleared up all the leaves now. Here we have some more hot lips. So moving on now to the Gunnera, the large leaves have actually finished now, and I folded them over to protect the heart of the plant, but I need to protect it more. So I've got a blanket and I thought, good idea, I'll protect that and then put the leaf back over the top, which will help to keep it dry from the rain and stop it freezing, and it's also less of an eyesore. So we'll, fingers crossed, this will work to keep it over the winter for us. Here we have the magnificent Dicksonia Antarctica. This was one of Roger's favourite plants. Now it's not too cold at the moment, although it is changing a little bit now, but I need to again protect the centre of the plant. So just for now I'm putting in some fleece. You'll see it's a bit of a struggle because I'm not very tall, but it'll at least keep any early frosts away from penetrating that core of the fern. And then I'll think about perhaps putting a little bit more as the winter progresses. Perhaps I'll need a ladder though. Here we go, got a little helper. See if I can push that down a little bit without damaging anything. There we go, that should do. And finally, for now, we go on to our Musa Basjoo, the banana plant. Now there are two healthy specimens here and one with bananas on that's actually will die now, but what I'm going to do is leave it there to protect the rest of the plants, and I'll wrap something around them perhaps in a month's time, just to protect them through the winter, and then we can unwrap again in the spring, and then I'll take that particular plant down completely because it'll be finished. Now I do hope you've enjoyed this look around the garden in December. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.